How to change your language on Apple TV. In order to change your language on Apple TV, it is very simple for us to do so. So all we have to do is basically just launch settings on our Apple TV, which is the gear icon. Even if you're in a language that you don't understand, don't worry, just look for that gear icon, and from here go to the first option that says General. From General, you might want to scroll down, and under the language and region, which is the second paragraph here, you can see Apple TV languages. You can select that and you can choose between one of the default languages. If you want to add a new language, you can select the add language option. Make sure to add a new language, but you might have to download it. You can select the language that you want to use. Now if it is not changing, what you do? So you have to actually drag the language that you want to the top. So currently English UK is selected at the top. How do we drag it, the other language, to the top? Well, for that, just select the edit icon from the top right hand side, and now from there you can simply go ahead and see this horizontal lines option. You can simply hold that, and while you hold that, you can simply select that to the top in this case, or you can delete the other ones and only keep the ones that you like. And this way you should be able to change your language on Apple TV. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.